everybody. Today's video theme is about slicing 3D models. Okay, let's get into that then. So, what means slicing 3D models? Slicing 3D models is the process of converting a 3D design into thin horizontal layers and generating instructions, aka G-code, that 3D printer can follow to build the object layer by layer. As you can see on the picture, we got our 3D model. Now it's sliced into layers more and more. And then our extruder prints them. Here are some popular examples of 3D slicer softwares. The first one is Ultimaker Cura. It's popular, free, and open source slicer known for its compatibility with many printers. Secondly, Prusa Slicer. It's powerful, customizable, and supports advanced features like multi-material printing. And lastly, my favorite, Bamboo Studio. It contains project-based workflows, systematically optimized slicing algorithms, and an easy-to-use graphical interface. Now I'm gonna give you some peeks into these softwares. Here we got Ultimaker Cura, Prusa Slicer, and Bamboo Studio. What actually happens during slicing process? The slicer divides the model into horizontal layer slices, as I said. It calculates toolpaths for each layer. It adds structures like beams, rafts, or supports if needed to our 3D model. And lastly, it outputs a G-code file for the printer. And what is a G-code? It is a file containing instructions, technically codes for 3D printer, for example, where to move, moving speed change, fan speed change at right times, how much the nozzle needs to be heated for the right time and right filament type, and so many other things. Here's an example of how a simple G-code looks. This is the end. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and that's it for today. Have a nice day.